Hello, Rico Rensinger here. Have you ever thought about cracking your back, adjusting your back in public? Well, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how to crack your back anywhere, near a light post, near a traffic sign, or next to your tree. I call this the straddle crack. The first step of the straddle crack is to wrap your leg around the object and then use your elbow to leverage your body to the other side and use the other hand to guide you and force you beyond the crack so you get that good adjustment. Let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, imagine you're walking, all of a sudden you feel a stiff back and you say, oh damn, my back feels kind of awkward, I need to crack my back. And you're next to a tree and you remember to yourself, Rico the wedding singer taught me something about adjusting your back with a tree. So this is how it goes. First of all, you strap your leg around the tree, like so. And the second step is to use your elbow. And then the third step is to look all the way back, and then you hold your hand right here and put it next to your butt, and you look back as far as you can, and you use your elbow as leverage and push your way for the crack. Same for the other side. You put your elbow right here, force it, and you put your hand right here and you force it to the other side. Okay.